What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Colin Bracken here. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trading out my old 2.5 inch WeighSafe drop hitch for my new 3-inch shank drop hitch for the 2020 F350 Super Duty. This one's a custom one-off hitch. I'm excited to show it to you guys, so let's go ahead and hop right into the video. So if that unboxing video and putting it together cinematic didn't show you how easy it is to put this thing together, let's hurry and go ahead step by step on how to set this thing up. So first thing you're gonna do is identify all the parts that come in your package from WeighSafe. So we have the key lock so that nobody can steal our beautiful hitch here. We have our lock that goes on to the hitch to mount it to the shank. We have our dust cap cover. We have our keys, which also are the same exact key. So this key goes to this and to this, so you don't have to have two different sets of keys. Big shout out to WeighSafe for thinking of us, the operators. And then you've got your main piece here. You've got your machined. It's not like just a straight hitch like some places would do. It fits perfect so that you can just slide it right up onto this shank. Once you do that, you pick your height. You can go up in inch increments, I believe. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and decide, or before that, you're gonna go ahead and decide which ball you want. So we typically tow with a 2 5/16, 21,000 pound rated ball. We're gonna go ahead and pop that one in there. Take your pin, slide it in from the back, wiggle your ball to get it to line up, and then you don't have to worry about that pin coming out because your shank is gonna hold it in. So as soon as you have your ball mounted, you're gonna go ahead and slide your hitch on, choose your desired height, and then you're just gonna pop this in. You don't have to have the key attached to this to pop it in. You're gonna slide it in, pick your height, and you're good to go. They have a built-in scale here that reads your tongue weight. So how this works is there's a hydraulic piston in there, and then when weight comes down on the hitch or on the ball and it puts pressure on there, it will read and tell you so that you can measure your perfect tongue weight at about 12.5%. And if you guys are looking for the correct hitch to pick, I will put the link to a video right here that will tell you which size and which drop you should go with for your WeighSafe hitch. Alrighty, so another quick pro that the 3-inch has over the 2.5 inch shank is if you look right here on the ball, this will say 2 5/16, 21,000 pound rating. This one has a 2 5/16 and 14,500 pound rating, which can also be found right here on the side of the hitch. Both of them max out tongue weight ratings at 2,200 pounds, but this one can tow a little bit heftier of a trailer and be safer doing so. I'm super excited to see this thing on the truck, so let's go ahead and get it installed and let's have a better look at it. I think this thing looks incredible on here, and I can't wait to hook up a trailer and see how it does. I already know WeighSafe is an amazing company. What do you guys think of this spec'd out 3-inch shank, 6-inch drop, custom white hitch from WeighSafe? Drop it down in the comments below. And always remember, guys, when you're towing, you don't just want to be kind of safe, you want to be WeighSafe.